Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I transform this little space using Pinterest inspired decor. So the goal is to create a space where my boyfriend can come in and drop his keys, store his sunglasses, a nice space that is functional yet goes with the rest of the apartment and it's not just a dumping zone. We've got the shelf covered. This is a cute little shelf that my boyfriend made, and so we're just going to upcycle this guy. Headed over to Pinterest and I started pinning some inspiration. I love hanging plants. I've wanted them for a long time and I thought they would look perfect on the corners. I really like these two-tone pot holders and I thought that'd be a really easy DIY to make. With that in mind, I headed over to my local Michael's. I love going there because they always have crazy sales, and sure enough I was able to find the exact hangers I was looking for. They were on sale for 50% off and I got them for $6.99 each. Then I headed over to my local Dollarama and I was able to pick up a couple, I think these are like clay potters. They came in two colors. Obviously I grabbed both. Let's get on to the paints that I'm using. So my favorite paint is this Rust-Oleum. So this is our new favorite. It's got such a cool chalky finish. I usually use Minwax, but turns out they don't sell it at Home Depot anymore. The guy working recommended I try this bear. So I decided to give it a try for this little shelf. And here I just taped off the bottom of those ceramic pots. I wanted that nice like chunky textured finish, so I gave it a coat of chalk paint. Turned out beautiful, and there's still a little bit of the orange peeking through. Then the next day I headed over to Canadian Tire to pick up some tropical plants. But unfortunately they don't fit the pots and I ran out of paint. So I had to run out for more supplies again. I picked up these from the Dollarama. I really like the shape. They're deeper, bigger. And I picked up this paint. I've never tried it before. It was half the price, but it's all the store had, so I had to go with it. The fumes were really strong, it bubbled, and it just peeled right off. So I thought, hey, why don't I try putting chalk paint on? It worked perfect. It's stuck, it's got a good texture. The next project is staining this wood shelf. And I just have a little dabby tool that I made. It's just a bunched up pillowcase. Just dip it in the stain, rub it on. I was really excited at first and I thought I really liked the finish, but you'll see in a moment when it started to dry, it was just really uneven and streaky and it didn't react the same way as my other project. You'll see when that video comes out. I scrapped this, took a shot in the dark and said, hey, let's give this a try. And guess what? It worked great. It was beautiful. All right, the fun part, putting it all together. And yeah, that happened. I was able to put it in that pot, so I found a use for the pot and hopefully that grows. I'll keep you updated. If you see my last video, you know I'm obsessed with these command strips. I'm late to the game, but I love them. They're so easy. You just peel, stick, figure out where you want to put your picture, plant, holder, whatever, stick it on the wall, hang it, and it is done. So pretty, so easy, and it saves your wall. All right, the big reveal. I'm pretty excited with how it turned out. I think it looks so pretty. It's an extension of our main hallway. My goal is always to have that sort of like tropical flow going throughout my apartment from room to room to room. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.